welcome to my channel. Today I am super excited because I am doing a first impressions / get ready with me to show y'all how I created this look today. And I'm really happy because I finally received my package from Colourpop. It's the Makeup Shayla and Colourpop collaboration that they did. I'm so excited to just get my hands in here and start trying all of the products. I ended up buying the entire collection. So I used the whole collection, well, most of the whole collection to create this look today, and I wanted to give my review on it and show y'all how I created this look. So if you're interested, stay tuned. I already did most of my face. I kind of already prepped it just so that we can speed this up a little bit and focus mainly on the eyes. So we are going to start in this lovely palette that I've been excited about. So the first things first, this palette, it comes with 16 shades, which I'm really excited about because most of the time Colourpop's their palettes usually come with 12 shades. So it comes with 16 and also a mirror. Yes, Colourpop for the mirror. So I think this ranges for $23 if I'm not mistaken, which is a pretty decent price to me. I think, I believe their original ones, the ones that they've done with other makeup gurus, have been about $16. But again, you get 4 additional eyeshadows in this one and you get a mirror, so that's great. I also I didn't swatch any of these yet, but I love the different color range and the different shades that she has in here, and the names are so cute. Like Titus, if you have been following her, then you know that her dog who passed away, her Frenchie that she had, his name was Titus. In here there's one called Sassy. Okay, that's me. Played out. I'm not played out, but you know, I like to use that term. Shade. I throw shade all the time. Thick, revenge, like all of these are just super cute. So we're about to get into this palette. And the first thing I'm going to do is go into this color that is just a color that speaks my name, which is the one right here. And it is called Revenge. Okay, Hunty Revenge. So I'm just going to put that on my crease, and I'm gonna go in with a Morphe M411 brush. Y'all know the deal with me and my Morphe brushes, and we're just gonna put that all over the crease. Wow, this is really pigmented, y'all. Like, I barely put the brush in the product and this is pretty pigmented to me. I don't know if it's coming off that pigmented on camera, but in person, this is what's up. Right, that is really popping. I like that. I am here for Colourpop in this shadow. Yes, Hunty. So I'm gonna go in. I'm a little like, what do I want to do? But I'm gonna go into this color Played Out right here. It's hard to show this, but right here at the bottom, this brown color called Played Out. We're gonna go into that. Ooh, dang girl, this is pigmented. Now, there is a lot of fallout in that one, Played Out. There's quite a bit of fallout in that one. But I will say that the color is really pigmented. So I'm not gonna complain. How about that? I'm not going to complain. Yeah, I like this color, but again, that fallout, boy, that fallout is too much, ma'am, too much. I'm gonna take a blending brush. This is a Morphe M505 brush, and I'm just gonna blend all of these colors together. Not like super, not too much. It's just that I just want to blend it out a little bit so that the lines aren't super harsh. Y'all know the drill, y'all know. I am going to go into this color right here. September. We're gonna go into September and put that all on the lid. Yeah. I really don't know why I'm being so extra right now. I have no idea. Let's color September and put that right in the middle of the lid. Okay, Shayla. All right, girl. Yeah, this is really pretty. I like this color. I like this A because I don't really do my shadow like this. Like, I don't really use this kind of color. So I think this is really cute. So maybe it's just that one color, because the first one that I used, the first matte one that I used actually didn't have any fallout either. So that's cool. I'm cool with that if it's just like, you know, one or two shadows. Really pretty. I approve of the blendery. I approve of the. So I'm just gonna go back into that pink color and just kind of like put a little bit more pop to it, just because I think we lost a little bit of its pigment. Okay, looking up close, this really blends really well. All of these colors blend together so nicely. And I mean, it's Shayla, so you know she's not gonna like come up with no mess. But I'm just saying, like, these do blend together really, really nicely. Honestly, I have so many ColourPop eyeshadows, and I feel like these ones have blended together way better than some of the other ones. Like, they actually have, no lie. So I'm actually gonna finish the rest of my eyes, and then we're gonna come back and we about to get into this lipstick right here. We're gonna get into the lipstick and the highlighters. This is my first time ever using like a loose powder highlighter, so I'm not exactly sure how I'm supposed to use this. I think I'm just supposed to dip my brush in and put it on my face. If not, that's exactly what I'm about to do. So we're going into Posse, and I just put a little bit on my lid, and I'm using the Morphe M510 brush, which is one that I love to use. It's like a big fan brush, kind of. I love to use that for highlighting. So I'm just going to put a little of Posse on my brush and tap off any of the excess powder and just go ham. Ooh. Y'all, do you see that? Yeah. Posse is definitely my kind of color. So I like more rose gold kind of highlights. And this is pretty. I feel like you don't really need that much either. Like, a little definitely goes a long, long way. I like that. I'm going to do like a little bit more, just to be extra. Ooh. Yup. That is Posse. Super, super pretty. I like this a lot. I just put it like in my above my brow bones, but I'm about to just put it on my forehead. Any excess that I have. This is really pretty, y'all. Really, really pretty. I like this one. She has 3 different lipsticks in the collection, and one is called Ooh. It's a little too light for me, I can tell, but it's still really, really pretty. I like that color. She also has one called Come On Sis, which is super, super pretty. It's like a mauve color. And then she has one called Quickie. Okay, I'm assuming that's for less. And it's more of a like nudish color, which is also really, really pretty. And I'm excited because I've been wanting to try the one that's in Come On Sis. Ooh, this is like, okay, so I see that this is really pigmented. So instead of me like spreading it on my lips like I typically would, I'm just gonna blot it on because, oh Lord, that's really pigmented. I actually should have used a liner first. think that this is like perfect. If you want to put lip gloss on top, then I would just suggest blotting it on versus just like spreading it all around your lips. The next thing and last thing that I'm going to be using out of the Makeup Shayla collection is her lip gloss, which I'm super excited about because I love toppers like this that have glitter shades in them, especially ones that have like gold shades in them. So this one is called Neat Freak, and I'm really curious to see how this is. It smells good too, by the way. Alrighty, so this is the final look that I created using the Makeup Shayla Colourpop Perception collaboration that they came up with. So my overall review about this, I will definitely say that I love the palette, the Perception palette right here. This is amazing. If you don't get your hands on anything in the collection, I would say, like, if you only had to choose one item, I would definitely say choose the palette. It's $23, which is super affordable. You get 16 eyeshadows and it comes with a mirror. These eyeshadows are really great. I only noticed fallout in one of the shadows, which was the one called Played Out, which is a matte color, but the pigment was really great. So honestly, I would definitely suggest using this palette. Also, the highlighters are really good. So it was my first time using loose pigmented highlighters and I really like them. They can be a little messy, so I definitely suggest using like a hair scarf or something when you're applying it, because as you saw, I had it all over my hair and that's not cute. But yes, I really like the pigment in the one that I used, which was Posse. So I'm definitely excited to try the other one, which is Boomin'. I would say these ones as well because they are also pretty affordable. The lipsticks, they weren't my favorites. I think it's just because the colors I don't think they complement my complexion pretty well. I will say the one that I did try, which was called Come On Sis, that one looked great. Like, that's the one that I have on right now. However, I couldn't just spread it on my lips like I normally do. I had to blot it on because it is a little too pigmented and I don't want it to wash out my skin. So I think I would do without the lipsticks. And also the lip gloss, it wasn't my favorite. I think the consistency of the lip gloss is just a little too thin for me. I like a lip gloss that's a little bit more thicker and a little bit more tacky. I kind of expected it to look like, or to feel like, the lip gloss from the Sadai collections, the two that she created. She had like a glitter one similar to this, and then she also had a thicker lip gloss in her original collection. So I was kind of assuming that it would be the same consistency as that. However, it wasn't, and so I'm not a huge fan of the lip gloss or really any of the lip products. I would definitely recommend the eyeshadow palette and the highlighters though if you are going to get anything from the collection. And again, Colourpop is really affordable. The eyeshadow palette is around $23. And I think these highlighters are $7, but I'll be sure to link all of the information down below in the description box so that you can check those out. And as always, if you love this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. I would love for you to subscribe and just come back and watch more videos and watch more reviews and have fun with your girl, you know. But again, this is my review on this, and I will see y'all later. So have a good one. Bye.